Hello. Welcome to another tutorial on how to select attributes of one table with respect to another table in ArcMap. In ArcMap, if you want to select attributes from one table based on another table, you can use a subquery. Here's a general guide on how to achieve this. After opening the ArcMap software, navigate to the database. One important point to keep in mind that for a selection based on another table, both the tables should be under same geodatabase. First, open the feature class or table for which you want to select attributes, and open the attribute table. You can do some symbolization for better visualization. There is a tutorial on map symbolization in my playlist. You can see it if you're interested. After symbolization, access the Select by Attributes tool. First, we will see how to write an expression for selection feature by attribute in a table. For that, choose the field name and set the desired values. Before clicking OK option, you can verify your expression. If verification is successful and then press on OK, related feature will be highlighted in the data view window and the corresponding feature will be selected in the attribute table. The expression can also be written by in function. In this case, just put the field value inside a parentheses. For selecting two features, it is just required to set both on them into inside the parentheses. For selecting three features, similarly put them into inside the parentheses. For multiple values selected, follow the similar process. Okay, now we know how to write expression for selection features by attribution. Let's see how to select attributes of one table with respect to another table. An expression will be a subquery inside a query. Let's open the secondary table. Again, you can do some symbolization if you want. This is not mandatory, but just for better visualization, and copy-paste field name and table name later. Fit the feature by clicking on Zoom to Layer. Okay, everything's set. For more tutorials related to ArcMap software use, you can visit my GIS-related playlist. Now let's write the expression combining query and subquery for getting desired output. To write the query, first term would be the desired field name, DTC code of table_1 here, and this would be followed by in function and then place brackets. This time a subquery is needed to put inside the bracket for calling attribute from another table. This subquery would comprises of select command, then field name of the other table which have similar attribute of table_1, DTC code of table_2 here. To complete the expression, then it is required to put from command. And finally, the table name need to write for complete the expression, table_2. Is the table name here? You can type or copy-paste table name here. But for avoiding any error with complex table name, I prefer copy-paste table name from the table's properties. After writing complete expression, you can verify it if you want. And if verification shows successful, then just click OK option. The related features will be highlighted. How many selected you can be seen at the attribute table. Here, noticing point is that here few of items which are not matched or related are not highlighted. You can also highlight the unrelated features by the switch selection option. This type of selection is somewhat advanced type of queries. And I hope this tutorial would be helpful for you for selecting attribute from one table based on attributes of another table.